Everybody, it's Ivy, and today this video is going to be all about my micro links. All about how they hold a curl, how I like them, the hair I use, everything. I've had these micro links in my hair for a month, and I installed it with the silicone bead, and then I sewed the tracks onto the beads, okay? So I actually have tracks in my hair, and I've used like 2.5 bundles from On-Debout Hair. And let me just tell you guys, On-Debout Hair is amazing. Like, this hair gave me absolutely no problems. It doesn't shed, didn't tangle, it didn't do anything. Once I remove this hair, I'm gonna keep it for traditional sewing. And I have in the coarse Cambodian wavy, and it is flat iron, but my hair got a little bit of water on it. Like, the weather was nice, and then it started like drizzling a little bit, and so it kind of like puffed up. My real hair puffed up, and the extensions puffed up a little bit. So that's another thing I like about this hair. It actually puffs up and reacts the same way natural hair would. So that's why I thought this hair was very appropriate to use for micro links. For me, because I am so tender-headed, it took forever for my micro links to get loose, and they still, honestly, you guys, feel a little tender. Like, I'm that tender-headed, and I thought like the micro links would be a better alternative, but I think they're a better alternative if you do like the hair and bead instead of the whole weft. My hair, I believe, is like too fine to have the tracks like sewn on there, because when I wear clip-ins, my head gets really tender as well. So I should have known that the micro links were gonna hurt me. I love that I can just like put my hair back. It looks so natural, like my own hair. And one thing about myself, you guys, I love lace wigs and frontals and all that good stuff, but I just think I look better with like my own leave out or my own natural hair or whatever. Like, I feel like it's more flattering to my face. I know that might sound odd to some of you guys, but I just feel like with my own hair out, I feel like I look better. I don't know, I feel more confident and just, I don't know, I like my own hair being out. But after I take this out, you guys, I'm putting right back on my wigs. So I'm just gonna put some curls in here, not too many, okay? Because I don't really like my hair overly curled, y'all know that. I like a nice, loose, pretty curl. That's my thing. The curling iron I'm using today is so dope, you guys. From the Slay collection, okay? And this thing, you guys, I love this curling iron. It's unlike any other curler I've ever used before. I really like that it has this long clip. A lot of curlers have really small clips. I don't know why. I got this in PR, so shout out to Christina for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. So let's go in and do our first curl. This curling iron rotates, so it's cool. It rotates around the barrel and the bottom, so I was like, it comes with a switch right here, so you can actually lock the curler if you want to. So I believe you just put your hair in there, right? And then I'm trying to do it like I see them do on the video. Oh yeah, you guys, that's cool. Okay. Wow. And you just pull your hair down the shaft as you rotate. Wow, okay, that curled really nice, right? You guys, sick. Like, look at that. It curls so good. And I am gonna have a coupon code for you guys to save some money. So make sure you guys use that. Wow. So pretty. You guys, you definitely have to try out this curling iron. It's the coolest thing ever. It works like you put your hair in it and then you roll this, and it just makes your hair curl so easy. Like, if you don't really know how to curl your hair all that much, definitely try one of these out. To me, it's kind of like a curling iron mixed with a curling wine. It gets hot as hell. And my curls are popping. The link will be in the description bar below. And again, I have a coupon code so you guys can save some money. High quality, doesn't feel cheap. It's just an overall really good hair tool. Okay, you guys, so these are the curls. And I'm just gonna give them a quick brush out. This came out exactly like I wanted. Like, it's so pretty. So pretty. So honestly, micro-links are a preference. It all depends on what you want, how much of your hair you like to put heat on, how much of your hair you like to protect. Honestly, I like to braid my hair up and keep it braided for a month or two and take it down, deep condition, wash it, all that good stuff, and put it back up. Like, that's literally what I like to do to my hair. And my hair has grown, you guys. It's grown so much since I chopped it off last year. I would suggest getting them done by somebody or practicing a few rows in yourself before you do your whole head, because it is tedious. It's one of the hardest installs I've ever done in my life. Like, so hard to do, but you know, the outcome is really nice. I've gotten so many compliments on my hair. I'm with it, but I am definitely a sew-in girl. But yeah, you guys, I think I covered everything with these micro links. Make sure you guys comment below if you've tried micro links or just generally what you think about them. Let me know if you prefer my hair in like wigs or regular sew-ins. Please don't forget to thumb this up if you love my hair videos, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that little bell icon. You gotta make sure you click notifications on so you guys are notified whenever I post a video. I upload weekly, okay? I upload weekly, no matter what YouTube say. I upload weekly, okay? So for all my Ivy gang, you guys, just check my channel out periodically. YouTube don't be sending out my notifications. So yeah, that's it, and I will talk to you guys next time.